Want to reduce puffiness, slim your face, and balance facial asymmetry, all in just 7 minutes a day? You're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you a fast and effective routine that targets face fat, boosts circulation, and helps sculpt a more harmonious, symmetrical look, naturally and without any expensive treatments. In a world of selfies, video calls, and constant exposure to our own reflections, facial harmony is becoming more important than ever. But what does facial harmony really mean? Simply put, it's the balance and proportion between facial features, symmetry, contour, and muscle tone all working together to create a naturally attractive appearance. Why does facial harmony matter? Facial harmony isn't about perfection. It's about balance. When your face appears puffier on one side, lacks tone, or looks asymmetrical, it can subtly affect how you feel and how others perceive your expressions. The good news? You don't need invasive treatments to improve it. The common issues: puffiness, often caused by fluid retention, poor lymphatic drainage, or lack of facial movement. Face fat, particularly in the cheeks and jawline, this can mask your natural bone structure. Asymmetry, slight differences between the left and right sides of the face are totally normal, but can be minimized through muscle awareness and daily movement. The 7-minute solution. Through targeted facial exercises, lymphatic drainage techniques, and mindful muscle activation, you can begin to notice a more sculpted, refreshed, and balanced look, sometimes in as little as a week with daily practice. It's not just aesthetic, it's empowering. This isn't about chasing beauty standards. It's about reclaiming control over how your face feels and looks, naturally. With just 7 minutes a day, you're not just enhancing your appearance, you're building self-care into your routine. Ready to unlock your best face? Let's get sculpting. Redefining beauty, ancient wisdom and modern myths about facial symmetry. Explore how our perception of beauty has been shaped by modern standards, often misleading and unnatural. This video challenges the myth that facial symmetry equals perfection, revealing how historically admired women embraced natural features and used holistic techniques, many of which we overlook today. Learn how to reshape and enhance your unique beauty with mindful, non-invasive methods rooted in both old-world wisdom and modern facial science. Daily facial massage techniques: rejuvenate, sculpt and glow naturally. In just a few minutes a day, facial massage can transform the way your skin looks and feels. Not only does it promote relaxation, but it also improves circulation, reduces puffiness, enhances facial contours, and supports lymphatic drainage, all without expensive treatments or products. First, how to depuff your face using massage and tapping. The best way to begin is by familiarizing yourself with key acupressure points on the face, such as the temples, brow bone, and under eye area. Applying pressure to these points using gentle tapping or massaging motions while focusing on deep, mindful breathing. What you'll need: clean hands, facial oil, serum, or moisturizer to prevent tugging, a mirror to guide your technique. Daily facial massage routine, 5 to 7 minutes. 1. Start with the neck. Why? Draining lymph nodes begins here. Use gentle upward strokes from the collarbone to the jawline. Repeat 5 to 10 times on each side. 2. Jawline sculpting. Why? Helps define the jaw and release jaw tension. Use your knuckles or index/middle fingers. Glide from the chin along the jawline to the ears. Repeat 5 times. 3. Cheek lifting. Why? Enhances cheekbones and reduces face puffiness. Place fingers under cheekbones and gently lift upward. Use sweeping motions from the nose toward the temples. Repeat 5 to 8 times. 4. Under eye drainage. Why? Reduces puffiness and dark circles. Use your ring fingers, gentlest pressure. Lightly press and sweep from the inner eye corner to the outer. Repeat 5 times. 5. Brow and forehead smoothing. Why? Softens expression lines and tension. Press gently between the brows and sweep outward across the forehead. Use upward circular motions across the brow area. Repeat 5 to 10 times. 6. Final lymphatic sweep. Y. Encourages all drainage to exit the face. Use flat fingers to sweep down the sides of the face, from temples to collarbone. Do this slowly 3 to 5 times. Be consistent, daily massage works best over time. Habits to embrace. 1. Stay consistent. Daily or near-daily massage helps maintain muscle tone, improve circulation, and encourage lymphatic drainage. Tip: even 5 minutes a day can make a difference over time. 2. Hydrate, inside and out. Hydration supports skin elasticity and lymphatic function. Massage is more effective on well-hydrated skin. Tip: drink plenty of water throughout the day and use a nourishing serum or oil during your massage. 3. Maintain clean skin and hands. Massaging with dirty hands or over makeup can clog pores and lead to breakouts. Always wash your hands and cleanse your face before beginning your massage routine. 4. Use gentle, upward motions. Upward movements help counter gravity and prevent skin sagging. Harsh, dragging motions can stretch the skin over time. Apply light to moderate pressure, especially around sensitive areas like the eyes. Habits to avoid. 1. Over-massaging or using too much pressure. Too much force can cause irritation, broken capillaries, or even bruising, especially on sensitive skin. 2. Skipping moisture or lubrication. Dry massage can tug and damage your skin's surface, leading to premature wrinkles. Always apply a facial oil, serum, or gentle moisturizer to create slip. 3. Using the wrong tools or techniques. Poorly designed tools or incorrect techniques can lead to uneven results or even harm the skin. Learn proper gua sha, jade roller, or manual techniques from trusted sources before incorporating tools. While massage can provide immediate glow and depuffing, structural changes take time. Stay patient and observe how your skin changes over weeks, not just days. And that's it, just 7 minutes to a more sculpted, balanced, and refreshed face. Remember, facial harmony isn't about perfection, it's about working with your unique features to look and feel your best. Small changes add up over time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who could use a little self-care today. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.